So I decided to play Atelier Yumia, and it was... Yo, why is this nigga just laying on the ground? Bro, are you okay? Amazing. So join me as I explore this new world. Okay, we in this bitch. Alright, let's get to it though. Yeah, bitch, that nigga, I'm comboing your shit. I'm comboing your shit, nigga. And I eviscerated your ass, bitch, that nigga. Yeah, you disappeared, bitch, that nigga. How the hell is her small ass carrying this shit? Like, are we serious right now? Are we dead ass right now? No, watch this. Watch the precision aim. Why is she sighing like that? No, hell no. The ground, the fucking ground's cooked, bro. We're cooked, bro. We can fly and shit, right? Right? Watch this chat. Precision aim. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, bro. Man, keep your bitch ass around, bro. Where to? No, watch this. Precision aim. Watch this shit. Boom. Hey, bro. Yo, what the fuck is that? What the fuck is that, bro? Why is he running? No, yo, chill. Oh yeah, that nigga was easy as fuck, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Wait, why the fuck am I upside down? Hey, yo, who the fuck is... Yo. Hey, yo, stop on me like that, you creepy ass nigga. Oh, nah, nigga just cooked my shit. These niggas so cute, bro. I swear to God, these niggas so cute, bro. Like, you not... Aww. Wait, don't jump him. No, don't hurt my boy. Hi, buddy. Yo, I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry. Yo, why is this nigga just laying on the ground? Bro, are you okay? Oh, we can start building shit. Let me see what this shit hitting, bro. Ooh, W animations? Hold on. Okay. Nigga did a Michael Jackson move. We got raptors in the fucking game? What the fuck? What the fuck is that blue one up there? That nigga look kind of cool. Don't think about doing anything else. You know your place and act within it. Shut your lame ass up, nigga. I believe I made myself clear before. Remember your position, no unnecessary behavior. Yo, who the fuck are you talking to? Cause it's not me. I'm gonna slap the dog shit out of you. Like, this mining animation is so tough. Bing, bing, bing. Watch this shit. Hold on. Bing, bing, bing. Oh, nah, this is so tough. Are they fighting each other? Man, y'all both not on shit. I'll go over there and fight both of y'all niggas right now. I lied. Is she gonna be in Michael Jackson again, bruh? This animation is just actually fucking tough. I can't lie. Boom. Yo, can you move away so I can get that chest and shit? Man, you a bitch, man. Fuck you. No, I didn't know it was leaking. Okay, let's go down. Oh, we beat their ass. What the fuck are you falling over for? Man, I'm mad, nigga. That's so cute, Aura. Okay, we're finally here.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Oh, what the fuck is this, bro? I look-y wanna... I can't explore it. I'm gonna have to explore this sometime. This should be fire. Hope you enjoyed the video. Also, thank you for the support on the Sword Art Online video. It reached 240 views, and I really appreciate it. Anyways, that's the end of the video. I will be dropping more of this series soon, and peace.
I'll write another sad song for you. Affections overdue, I'm imbued, bursting at the seams. I don't know whether you've been doing better than you seem to. I know I shouldn't ask how you doing, but curiosity killed the human. Nothing left to lose, running out of excuses. Can't deny it's true, yeah it's true. Baby, lately I've been feeling blue. You knew the distance that we grew. Do you think about me too? It's true, yeah it's true. Baby, lately I've been feeling blue. You knew the distance that we grew. Do you think about me too? Cause I'm hitting another cig, I'm sickening. I keep on slipping, I'm sipping another drink, stripping all of the protections, affecting all of the evils I'm living through. I'm not trying to be vicious, I'm vulnerable. It's true.